Following Jesus, serving the Lord, requires commitment. And commitment requires that we make sure that we do not give in to complacency, that we do not give in to lukewarmness, that we do not give in to laziness. Let your yes mean yes. Let your no mean no. Make sure that any commitment we take, we are ready to remain faithful to this commitment no matter what. Any kind of commitment will be tested. Any kind of commitment will be challenged. It will be tried. Susubukin yan. But when we say yes, we must mean yes until the end. One author even reminds us that for our yes to be complete, we must know how to say no. For our yes to be complete, we must know how to say no. Buo ang pag-oo sa Diyos kung marunong humindi. Because to say yes to God is to say no to everything that keeps us away from God. To say yes to God is to say no to sin. To say yes to God is to say no to pride. To say yes to God is to say no to greed, or hate, or envy, or vengeance. Because to say yes to God is to say yes to love. Unconditional love. A love that comes from God. Ganyan din naman po sa kasal. Ganyan din naman po sa relationship. When you say yes to one person, to your beloved, you say no to other people. Kahit may mas maganda, kahit may mas mabait, kahit may mas malambing. But because you already said your yes, then you complete that yes by saying no. So also the same with faith. So also the same with God. For our yes to be complete, we must know how to say no. At malaking problema kapag hindi tayo marunong humindi. Let your yes mean yes. Let your no mean no. Mean what you say and say what you mean. Our yes to God is complete when we know how to say no to everything that is not of God. Amen.